Hi, my name is Yogendra, and in this video I will show you how we can easily write the last element of an array without using array.length-1. So first of all, I want to console this array. So after consoling, I got an array having an element cat, dog, elephant, lion, tiger. So like here on a 0 index we got first element, and with the 1 index we got a second element, and so on. Similarly, we also get a last element with a array.length-1 and last second element with the array.length-2 and so on. But here we just use JavaScript method called add. So with the help of add method, we can easily get a last element by just writing -1 as an index for a last position of an array, and -2 is for a last second position, and so on. That's it. If you want to know more about any topics related to JavaScript, React, Redux, write down in a comment. I will surely make another video for that. Thank you.